Hi guys, this is Myls and welcome to my channel. And today, we're going to use your favorite Oreo cookies to make one delicious breakfast that you and your kids will surely love. So, let's get started. First, we will crush the Oreo cookie. You can do it either by hand or by a food processor. And then, we will prepare the dry ingredients. First, we need 1 cup of flour, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and then we will thoroughly mix this and set this aside. After, we're going to prepare all the wet ingredients. We'll start by cracking in 1 whole egg and 3/4 cup of milk. We'll mix it all together with 1/8 cup of vegetable oil. And then we will combine the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Whisk it until the butter turns smooth. Then fold in the crushed Oreo cookies. I have set aside 2 tablespoons of Oreo and I'm going to use it later. Now we will start making our pancakes. First, let's batter our pan. Set your stove to low heat. And we will scoop in the butter. After, we're going to cover the pan and let this cook and rise for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then after, going to do the same on the other side. We'll just flip it over. Cover and let this cook for another 8 minutes. And we're done! After all the pancakes are cooked, at the same pan, we're going to make the chocolate ganache. We will start with 3/4 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of chocolate chip. This is so easy that all you have to do is to melt the chocolate. Of course, it will be easier if you will just use chocolate syrup, but this one tastes a lot better. And now, we're ready to plate our pancakes. Just drizzle a generous amount of chocolate ganache over the top of your pancake. And top it with the crushed Oreos that we have set aside earlier. Like this dish? Please feel free to like this video. And for other mouth-watering dishes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to keep you updated with my recent uploads, don't miss clicking the notification bell. Thanks for watching! Bye!